Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a property manager app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, building a property manager app in Glide is an easy and efficient way to manage properties, units, tenants, and maintenance. The first step is to navigate to the left menu of the Glide interface and select the Templates option. You'll be taken to your template page where you can view any existing templates. To gain access to the template store, click on the Template Store option and you'll be directed to the Templates library. In the template library, you'll find that the templates are organized into different categories which you can browse from the left menu. There's also a search bar for finding specific templates. If you're looking for a property manager template, simply type property into the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the property manager template. After clicking on the template, you'll be taken to another page. On the right side of this page, you'll see two options, Create this app and Preview. For this tutorial, we're going to select Create this app. This will generate the entire app for you, which you can then customize according to your needs. Once you've customized your app, it's time to publish it. To do this, simply click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. After the app is published, you'll see a Share button at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on this will give you multiple options to share your app, including a QR code, a link, and the ability to invite users through their email. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to build a property manager app in Glide. With this knowledge, you can efficiently manage your properties and provide a high-quality service for your tenants. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. I thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.